Radius of gyration. एक बार फिर थोड़ा सा रिवाइज कर लेते हैं इसे। रेडियस gyration क्या था? There is a body, irregularly shaped body. There is an axis of rotation passing through the body. Okay. Body is made up of different particles. You find the moment of inertia of the body with actual distribution of mass. How? Summation of mi ri square from I equals 1 to n. This is the moment of inertia of body with actual distribution of mass. Now you concentrate all the mass of the body at only one point, and you place this point body at distance k from the axis of rotation such that you get the same moment of inertia. This is the moment of inertia when you have concentrated the entire mass of body to a single point, and this single point body is placed at distance k from the axis of rotation. Here mk square equals what? Summation from I equals 1 to n mi ri square. Here k is called what? Radius of gyration. So what is the radius of gyration? Radius of gyration is the perpendicular distance from the axis of rotation such that if the whole mass of body were concentrated to this point, the moment of inertia of the body is same as that obtained by actual distribution of mass in the body. There is a long tongue twister. The radius of gyration is the perpendicular distance from axis of rotation. Radius of gyration एक्सिस ऑफ रोटेशन से वो परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस है, कौन सी? एट विच, जिस पर इफ द होल मास ऑफ द बॉडी वर टू बी कंसंट्रेटेड, जिस पर बॉडी का सारा मास कंसंट्रेट कर दिया जाए, देन द मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया ऑफ बॉडी, तब इस बॉडी का मोमेंट, पॉइंट बॉडी का मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया इज द सेम आ जाए. कब आ जाए सेम? कौन से, किसके सेम आ जाए? द मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया ऑफ बॉडी विद एक्चुअल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ मास. द रेडियस ऑफ gyration is the perpendicular distance from the axis of rotation such that if the entire mass of the body is to be concentrated at this point, the moment of inertia of body is same as that obtained with actual distribution of mass in the body. Now we will find how much radius of gyration की actual value कितनी है. Correct. So there is a body of mass capital M. There is a body rotating about a given axis. Rotating about a given axis. The entire body is made up of different particles. Now there is a change. Here we suppose the entire body is made up of different particles of mass m each. सारी बॉडी के आपने जो पार्ट करे वो इक्वल पार्ट्स कर रही है, m1 m2 m3 ना लेकर, मीन्स m1 is equals to m, m2 equals m, m3 equals m. It is made up of large number of particles, n particles having equal mass m, having equal mass m each. सबका एक ही मास है, but they are at different perpendicular distance. They are at different perpendicular distance from the axis of rotation r1, r2, r3 and so on. So what is the mass of the body? First, the mass of body m equals small m mass of first particle, small m mass of second particle, up to mass of nth particle. So it will be equals mn. M is the mass of each particle, n is the total number of particles. M is the mass of each particle, n is the total number of particles. Is it? Now moment of inertia of the body by actual distribution of mass. Moment of inertia of body about the given axis, with actual distribution of mass, then moment of inertia of body, it will be mass m1 r1 square. m1 is m. We are finding what? Moment of inertia of body with what? With actual distribution of mass. Moment of inertia of body with actual distribution of mass. How to find it? I equals mass m1. m1 is m, mass of first particle. The distance of first particle is r1. Then m r2 square, then m r3 square up to m rn square. Okay, m is common, r1 square plus r2 square up to what? Rn square. Right. Now I multiply it and divide by number of particles. n से multiply, n से इसे divide कर देते हैं. So what is mn? n is the number of particles, total number of particles. n is the total number of particles. n से ही हम इसे divide कर देते हैं. r1 square plus r2 square up to rn square whole divided by n. So what is this mn? What is this mn? m into n. M is the mass of each particle. Here m, small m, is the mass of each particle. कौन से particle? Constituting the body. Body को बनाने वाले हर एक particle का mass m है. n, what is n? n, it is total number. Actually total यहाँ लिखना ही चाहिए. Number of particles in the body. Body में जितनी particles हैं वो n है. So what is this mn? Mass of the body. It becomes mass of the body. So you can substitute m into n as what? Capital M. So it becomes I equals capital M what? R1 square plus R2 square up to Rn square divided by n. Divided by n. Okay. This is the moment of inertia. This is the moment of inertia of body with actual distribution of mass. This is the moment of inertia of body with actual distribution of mass. Now the entire mass, now the entire mass of the body were to be concentrated at point, at a single point, and the distance of this single point is made k. आपने इसे k कर दी इसकी distance, and you get the same moment of inertia. Let the mass of body were concentrated at a single point, at a single point, kept at perpendicular distance k. कहाँ से? From the axis of rotation, such that the moment of inertia of body is same. किसके same? As that with actual distribution of mass. Actual distribution of mass. Then I equals what? mk square. Because now the body is reduced to a single point. The entire body is reduced to a single point, and the perpendicular distance of this single point from the axis of rotation is k, capital K. So for a single point body, the moment of inertia I equals mk square. For a point body, moment of inertia I equals mk square. Now this k is adjusted such that now the moment of inertia is same as the moment of inertia of body with actual distribution of mass. So you can write it like mk square equals what? M r1 square plus r2 square up to rn square divided by n. Here k square equals what? r1 square plus r2 square up to what? rn square by n. This is k square. So what is k? What is k? K square, k equals square root of this whole. r1 square plus r2 square up to what? rn square whole divided by n. Now can anyone guess what is k mathematically? What is this k mathematically? It is the square root, है ना? It is a square root. किसका square root है ये? It is a square root. It is a square root of, if you add n figures, n quantities and divide by n, what do you get? If you add some physical quantities and then you divided the number of quantities, what do you get? Arithmetic mean. You get arithmetic mean. Very good. Please sit down. You get the mean. So it is the square root of mean. This r1 square plus r2 square plus r2 square upon n is the mean. Root mean. अब किसका mean है ये? To what it the mean is taken? This is the mean of squares. Squares. It is a mean of squares. r1 square, r2 square, r3 square, rn square. It is a mean of squares. Squares of distance of particle from the acceleration. Root mean, mean किसका है? square. It is root mean square. रूट मीन स्क्वायर. और अभी ये स्क्वायर किसके बनाए गए हैं? आपने किसके स्क्वायर बनाए थे? डिस्टेंस. रूट मीन स्क्वायर ऑफ डिस्टेंस ऑफ डिफरेंट पार्टिकल्स ऑफ बॉडी. कहां से? फ्रॉम द एक्सिस ऑफ rotation. So what is this? What is k? What is radius of gyration? Radius of gyration is equal to the root mean square distance of different particle of body from the axis of rotation. Mathematically, radius of gyration is equal to root mean square distance of different particles of body from the axis of from the given axis of rotation. If you are asked what is radius of gyration, then you have to tell the entire, the physical meaning and its mathematical meaning. If you are asked what is the radius of gyration, you have to answer, you have to state its physical meaning as well as its mathematical meaning. So can anyone tell it?